Study vocabularies of phrases. Number 1, politician,អ្នកនយោបាយ. Number 2, democratic politician,អ្នកនយោបាយប្រជាធិបតេយ្យ. Number 3, famous equal to well known ដែលល្បី. Number 4, influence ឥទ្ធិពល. Number 5, human rights សិទ្ធិមនុស្ស. Number 6, dream ក្តីសុបិន. Number 7, admire កោតសរសើរ. Number 8, succeed ជោគជ័យ. Number 9, politics នយោបាយ. Number 10, adoption ការសុំកូនចិញ្ចឹម. Conversations about politician. Conversation about politician. សន្ទនាអំពីអ្នកនយោបាយ. Who is your favorite politician? Who is your favorite politician? តើអ្នកណាជាអ្នកនយោបាយដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្ត? This is Hillary Diane Rodham Clinton, an American politician. She's Hillary Diane Rodham Clinton, an American politician. លោកស្រី Hillary Diane Rodham Clinton ជាអ្នកនយោបាយអាមេរិក. Where is she from? Where is she from? តើនាងមកពីណា? She comes from the USA. She comes from the USA. នាងមកពីសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិក. Does she appear on TV? Does she appear on TV? តើនាងលេចមុខតាមទូរទស្សន៍ទេ? Yes, quite often. She usually shows up on TV in news programs. Yes, quite often. She usually shows up on TV in news programs. បាទជាញឹកញាប់ ជាធម្មតានាងបង្ហាញមុខនៅលើកញ្ចក់ទូរទស្សន៍ក្នុងកម្មវិធីព័ត៌មាន. What is so appealing about her? What is so appealing about her? តើអ្វីជាការទាក់ទាញរបស់នាង? Is this a democratic politician? Is this a democratic politician? នាងជាអ្នកនយោបាយប្រជាធិបតេយ្យ. Is she famous? Is she famous? តើនាងល្បីទេ? Yes, she's well known all over the world. Yes, she's well known all over the world. មែនហើយ នាងល្បីទូទាំងពិភពលោក. Does she have a great influence on people? Does she have a great influence on people? តើនាងមានឥទ្ធិពលខ្លាំងលើមនុស្សទេ? Yes, I think so. Is it right for human rights? Is it a very controversial and influential speech that human rights are women's rights and women's rights are human rights? Yes, I think so. Is it right for human rights? She has a very controversial and influential speech that human rights are women's rights and women's rights are human rights. បាទខ្ញុំក៏គិតអញ្ចឹងដែរ នាងតស៊ូដើម្បីសិទ្ធិមនុស្ស នាងមានសុន្ទរកថាដ៏ចម្រូងចម្រាស និងមានឥទ្ធិពលយ៉ាងខ្លាំងថាសិទ្ធិមនុស្សជាសិទ្ធិស្ត្រី ហើយសិទ្ធិស្ត្រីជាសិទ្ធិមនុស្ស. Do you want to be like her? Do you want to be like her? តើអ្នកចង់ដូចនាងទេ? Being a politician has never been my dream actually. Being a politician has never been my dream actually. ការក្លាយជាអ្នកនយោបាយមិនដែលជាក្តីសុបិនរបស់ខ្ញុំទេ. Why do you admire her? Why do you admire her? ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកកោតសរសើរនាង? She's one of the few women who succeed in politics. She's one of the few women who succeed in politics. នាងជាស្ត្រីម្នាក់ក្នុងចំណោមស្ត្រីតិចតួចដែលជោគជ័យក្នុងនយោបាយ. What did she do that you can tell others? What did she do that you can tell others? តើនាងបានធ្វើអ្វីដែលអ្នកអាចប្រាប់អ្នកដទៃបាន? Oh, a lot of things. She cares for people's health. She also tackles the issues of adoption and family safety. Oh, a lot of things. She cares for people's health. She also tackles the issues of adoption and family safety. អូមានរឿងជាច្រើននាងយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ចំពោះសុខភាពមនុស្សនាងក៏ដោះស្រាយបញ្ហានៃការសុំកូនចិញ្ចឹមនិងសុវត្ថិភាពគ្រួសារផងដែរ Study vocabularies or phrases. Number 1 politician អ្នកនយោបាយ Number 2 democratic politician អ្នកនយោបាយប្រជាធិបតេយ្យ Number 3 famous equal to well known ដែលល្បី Number 4 influence ឥទ្ធិពល Number 5 human rights សិទ្ធិមនុស្ស Number 6 dream ក្តីសុបិន Number 7 admire កោតសរសើរ Number 8 succeed ជោគជ័យ Number 9 politics នយោបាយ Number 10 adoption ការសុំកូនចិញ្ចឹម Thank you